All right, let's break down one last time. Freightliner Cascadia, best for budget conscientious owner-operators. The Volvo VNL 760, the most fuel efficient, saving you thousands in premiums. Kenworth T680, best for heavy hauling and durability. So, which truck fits your business? Drop a comment below. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more trucking tips. And if you've already running these trucks, tell us in the comments what your experience has been like. Thanks for watching. Keep those wheels turning, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.